Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we have something from the United States. What have we here? Let's find out. Hey, great. So recently I was contacted by Hongkongfoodies.com, and you should really check them out if you like the Demae ramen, and they've got a zillion varieties. And I'm thrilled that they wanted to send me them and promote them. So here I am saying, you should definitely check them out. If you want some cool Hong Kong stuff, this is stuff I've never seen before too. And I spend a lot of time in the instant noodle world. And for me to have not seen them before, that's kind of surprising. So let's go through them. I'm going to use the aid of their website, Hongkongfoodies.com, to share a little about them. So first off, we've got this Demae 100% Hokkaido wheat flour shin flavor instant ramen. I'm guessing this is spicy. It kind of looks like it might be. But have you ever seen this? I've never seen this. This is really neat. I'm stoked. So this next one is another Demae 100% Hokkaido wheat flour tori paitan, and usually that's like a chicken variety, and it's creamy and it's good, and I'm psyched to try this one. Rad. And here's the Demae 100% Hokkaido wheat flour black garlic oil tonkatsu. So they've got the black garlic oil tonkatsu here, but this is different, and I don't think the export version has the Hokkaido wheat. I don't know, but very cool. Now this one, check out little dude on the packaging. This is the 100% Hokkaido wheat Demae Icho mala pot flavor. So this is going to be like a spicy hot pot. The kid is sweating, and yeah, this looks cool. And here's the classic. This is like the first Demae Icho. Over here it was just called Demae ramen variety I'd ever tried. This is the sesame oil. And when I first tried it when I was a kid, I was not into it. I was like really put off by it. I wanted nothing to do with it. Nowadays, I think it's great. It's kind of funny how tastes change, but this is the 100% Hokkaido wheat variety. Yeah, this is cool. Very cool. Thank you. And finally, to round these out, this is the Demae 100% Hokkaido wheat flour tonkatsu. And it's just kind of like here, we've got the black garlic oil tonkatsu, and then we have the regular tonkatsu in the green pack, except this one's just a little better. So cool. So now we're going to move to the Demae Icho bar noodle or bar udon varieties. This is a curry flavor, and I'm like really stoked on this. I don't know what I'm going to add to it, but I'm going to figure it out. There's a whole range of ramen, a whole range of udon. I'd never heard of the udon, and when she contacted me from Hongkongfoodies.com, she wanted me to review a couple varieties. I'm like, oh my god, please send me everything. So this is one of them. I'm stoked. Next up, we've got the Demae Icho bar udon noodle bonito flavor. So this is probably gonna have a flavor, my guess is like kind of a seafoody, fishy, sweet. We'll see. I don't know, but this looks really neat. Next up, we've got the bar udon noodle rich tonkatsu flavor. I'm guessing this is going to be decent. Probably a powder sachet and an oil sachet or a seasoned oil. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. And here's another interesting one. This is Demae Icho bar udon noodle tomato beef. And I've known a lot of people that clamor for tomato ramen pairings, and I'm going to bet this is going to be a good one. So, yeah. Well, thanks again to Carmen over at Hongkongfoodies.com. This is an amazing array. I am stoked. I haven't gotten a lot of stuff from Hong Kong recently, and this is great. This is going to be a lot of fun. and you'll see reviews soon. Normally I like to come out with these videos with images of the product prepared, but this time I thought, well, holidays are coming, you might want to scoop these up quick, so do it to it. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.